The journey of a dreamer. In the heart of a bustling city, where the tall buildings kissed the sky and the streets hummed with the rhythm of life, there lived a young woman named Maya. Maya was known for her infectious smile and boundless optimism, but beneath her cheerful exterior lay a dream that burned brighter than the city lights. From a young age, Maya had dreamed of becoming an artist, a painter whose canvases would evoke emotions and tell stories without words. Her passion for art was nurtured by her grandmother, who would spend hours teaching her the techniques passed down through generations. But life had a way of imposing its own plans, and as Maya grew older, practicality overshadowed her dreams. She found herself studying business at university, pursuing a career path that promised stability and success. Yet, with each passing day spent in the confines of boardrooms and spreadsheets, Maya felt her spirit grow restless. One evening, as Maya sat by her window overlooking the city skyline, a sudden gust of wind carried a flyer through the air and onto her lap. It advertised an upcoming art exhibition featuring renowned painters from around the world. Maya's heart skipped a beat as she read the details her favorite artists would be there, showcasing their masterpieces for the world to see. In that moment, Maya made a decision. She would attend the exhibition, not just as a spectator, but with a boldness that surprised even herself. She would showcase her own art. With trembling hands and a determined spirit, Maya withdrew her savings, purchased a canvas and paints, and set to work. Days turned into weeks as Maya poured her soul onto the canvas, capturing the beauty of the city she loved, the dreams she held close, and the emotions that stirred within her. Late into the night, she would lose herself in the swirls of color, finding solace in the act of creation. Finally, the day of the exhibition arrived. Maya stood nervously before her painting, a masterpiece that spoke of courage and resilience, of dreams chased and passions pursued. As visitors wandered through the gallery, their eyes lingered on Maya's work, drawn in by the depth of emotion and the raw honesty it portrayed. Among the crowd was a renowned art critic who approached Maya with a smile that crinkled the corners of his eyes. He praised her work not for its technical prowess alone, but for the story it told, the dreams it dared to embrace. Maya's heart swelled with gratitude as she realized that she had not just painted a picture, she had painted a piece of her soul. From that day forward, Maya's life changed in ways she could never have imagined. Her painting garnered attention from galleries and collectors alike, leading to commissions that allowed her to pursue her passion full-time. But more than the recognition and success, Maya found fulfillment in knowing that she had dared to believe in herself, to chase a dream that had once seemed out of reach. As Maya continued to paint, her work evolved, each piece reflecting the lessons she had learned on her journey, a journey fueled by courage, fueled by the belief that dreams are meant to be pursued, no matter the obstacles that may stand in the way. Years later, Maya stood once again before the city skyline, but this time as an established artist whose name resonated in the art world. The lights of the city twinkled below her, a testament to the dreams she had chased and the courage that had carried her through. And so the story of Maya became a beacon of hope for dreamers everywhere, a reminder that within each of us lies the power to paint our own destiny, to embrace the dreams that whisper to us in the quiet moments, and to never shy away from the canvas of life. Where every brushstroke tells a story of courage and perseverance,